everyone, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today, I have got a special treat for you all, a treasure hunt Hot Wheels Bone Shaker from 2024 mainline. So, before we dive into the details, let's unbox it. It comes in a stunning black and white design, flaunting the number 84 and some sponsors' logos. Let's talk about features. Beneath the surface, this bone shaker boasts a chromic interior that catches the light just right. It has a black plastic base and made in Malaysia, and rolls smoothly on those iconic black 5-spoke wheels with the double white line tires. Here is a cool piece of trivia. The Bone Shaker made its debut back in 2006 as a part of the first edition series. Created by the legendary Larry Wood, it becomes an iconic Hot Wheels casting over the years. And if you're interested, you can watch an interview with the Larry Wood on the YouTube channel. Link in the description. He talks about his design of the Bone Shaker, and you can also see the real Bone Shaker in action. How cool is that? This 2024 release is a fresh spin on a classic. You can find this fantastic ride in Mix K of the 2024 Hot Wheels mainline cases. It's sure to be standout in your collection or on the track. But don't wait too long. These are hard to find. So what do you think? Is the Bone Shaker a must-have for your collection? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.